What's going on, guys? It's Bobby K. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered where the stone for the facade of the front of your house is from? Or maybe you had an outdoor kitchen that's got some veneer on it? Or maybe you've had a cool retaining wall that's got that veneer. In this video, I'm going to break down the process right from the quarry, talk about why lead times might take a while to get that stone, and at the end of the video, I'm going to include two things. We got a giveaway for a free Bobby K design. You can enter to win. You need to subscribe, leave a comment, and I'm also going to put some bloopers out on how much I mess up making these videos. Let's go!
Splitters provide 18,000 pounds of splitting pressure in the cylinders to cut these stones down, and these are capable of cutting up to 27-inch thick stones.
Wow.
And there's a 5-foot wide splitter head on there.
So 5 foot wide, 27 inches thick, and the PSI or whatever comes down at about 18,000?
18,000 pounds of cylinder pressure.
Okay, is that like a crocodile, or does that crush a crocodile's jaw?
Oh, that would crush a crocodile.
I love it. Amazing. Hey, what's going on? We were going over to the quarry. I'm with Jeremiah, sales rep down here at SEMCO, and what he was just explaining to me I found very interesting. Well, why do you think some veneers or dry stacks or materials are more expensive than others? It makes perfect sense. It's because of where it's located in the earth and where they have to quarry it from. You know, we're a pallet or two short on this material, and hey, can you ship that up to us? And you wonder why the lead times are, yeah, that we can do that, but we're 6 weeks out. Well, now you know why they're 6 weeks out. It's because what you want might be at the bottom of the earth, and they got to go through all the other stuff just to get there. So the next time someone gives you a number and you're like, well, why does it take so long? Now you know.
All I want is 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 all
It's Bobby K. Hey guys, thanks for joining me. It's Bobby K. In this video, I'm going to break down the stone. Oh my God! You take the bio test? Why is YouTube so hard? What else? What else? Guy walks into a bar. Finkel and Einhorn, Finkel and Einhorn, Finkel and Einhorn, Finkel, Finkel, Einhorn.